Hey everyone, it's 11:12 a.m. on Wednesday, July 3rd, 2019, and today I present you with a white 52-inch Litex Close-Up. I thought it was the crown, but it says CU in the model number of it. And I got this Fanimation from fellow collector Mark Wilson. His YouTube channel is the Fancave. I advise you to check that out at your leisure. And it was featured in that channel before, and now it's in Reedville. But anyway, I did make some modifications to it. And when it was in Mark's possession, it had stencil blades, but I decided to put my own set of cane blades on it that I had laying around. Because I prefer cane over stencil. And the other side is plain white. Let's have a look at the filigree sideband. And it uses the mounting plate is a circular mounting plate that goes around the perimeter of the motor housing shell, whatever it is. And it's used 3 screws. And this is before they switched over to the more common rectangular type mounting bracket for hugger style ceiling fans, which this is a hugger because it mounts flush. There is the reverse switch, which I had to replace. It only ran in reverse, and I did replace the full chain unit as well. So now she runs up to par, and the tassel pull is what I added. And without further ado, let's rev it up first on low. I picked a really good fan for this spot. You know, it doesn't hang down low. Okay, medium. I do have another hugger installed like this, albeit antique brass and straight vents, in the spare bedroom now. I mean, I had it installed in this very spot before, but way back when. I'm feeling some airflow. It's on medium, and it's like pretty much the high, you know, on par with the high of most huggers manufactured today, like 30 years following its manufacture. And now let's bump it up to high. Step back so you can see it. Wow, it's really cranking out air on high, let me tell you what. I mean, for a hugger, like earlier when I had it on high, it was like blowing the bags around and stuff like that. And as high up as it mounts, it's really cranking air. So if you have like a low ceiling or put it in a basement, this is the ideal fan for it. And now we will power it down. Bearings are really good on this fan because, as you can see, it has a long spin down time. It's one of my Fanimation finds I actually got around to hanging. It's been kind of hectic lately, but thought since I had some time, I might as well make hay while the sun shines. This is a childhood fan for me, and my local post office has these installed in antique brass, and I remember when they went in circa 1989, I think, or 88, I want to say. You don't really see too many huggers of this style, especially with the large switch housing, or the motor housing, excuse me. But this thing is very efficient, and it cranks out a ton of air. Footprint vents and cane are a good combo, if you ask me. And the parent manufacturer of this fan is Air-Cool, so they're the OEM that makes the internal motor, and they marketed the footprint vent fans under the Litex label. So there you have it, a 52-inch Litex Close-Up from April of 1985. Thank you for watching. More to come.